Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this very funky, colorful Swatch watch. This particular model dates back to 2004, so already this can be called a vintage Swatch watch. This is the GE130A candy gloss. As you can see, it has this very interesting flexible watch strap, which has this, let's say, candy style pieces that keep on repeating themselves. So you have like a sequence, we have green, yellow, blue, red, and so on, and then the sequence keeps on repeating. As you can see, it is flexible, so it has these plastic parts that can actually extend a little, so this is really cool, and the watch is in very good condition. As you can see, the watch crystal is immaculate. The color sequence also continues to the dial and to the watch hands. As you can see, we have the hour markers that have the same colors, and then we have 3 colors for the seconds hand, the minutes hand, and also the hour hand. As you can see, the case is in immaculate condition, very nice see-through case, and also very little decoloration, given the fact that this watch is already 20 years old. The watch is ticking and it keeps perfect accurate time. It is going to be for sale soon on our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. We have over 1000 vintage Swatch watches for sale, so this is really interesting if you are a Swatch collector. Also, if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch reviews, watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video, let me know in the comment section below if you have ever seen this particular model, if you enjoy Swatch watches, and which one is your favorite. Thank you guys, like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next one.